Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm going to do a quick video on how to simplify radicals. I call this the Lebron approach because we're going to be using the TI-Nspire and specifically menu 23 or 23 to help factor this. And once we factor it, it should be pretty simple what we need to do. All right, so first thing, I'm going to do probably 4 or 5 of these. It says the square root of 294. Now they want us to simplify this. So all we're going to do is we're going to go from the calculator screen. We're going to go menu 23, LeBron James. We're going to put in the number 294 and it's going to factor it for us. So it says the equivalent would be 2 times 3 times 7 squared. Now, any number inside the square root that is a even number, you can take half of it and just bring it outside the radical. So since this is an even number, we can take half of that. That'll be 7. And then since these have ones, we can't do anything with those two. So those have to be left inside the square root. So 2 times 3 is 6. So the simplified version of this would be 7 times the square root of 6. Boom, done. Okay, we're going to do the next one. Square root of 112. So I'm going to do menu 23, LeBron, and then I'm going to do 112. Boom. There you go. And then it's going to be 2 to the fourth. So this is 2 to the fourth times 7 to the first. Now we can't do anything with that 7 to the first because it's not an even number, but this 2 to the fourth, we can take half of those and bring it outside. So it's going to be 2 to the second times 7 to the first. What is 2 to the second? Oh, that's just 4. So this is the same thing as 4 square root of 7. Boom. That's the simplified version. All right, let's do a couple more. Square root of 175. Menu 23, call LeBron. We're going to do 175, bam, right here. And it is factored. So that's the same thing as 5 squared times 7. So we're going to take half of this, pull it outside. This is going to be 5. Since this is a 1, it stays inside. So the simplified version of this is 5 square root of 7. Now 144 is a perfect square. You should understand that the square root of 144 is 12, but I'm going to use my technique and show you that you can still do the same thing. So I'm going to do menu, LeBron 23, and then I'm going to put in 144. And what you will notice is that all of the exponents are even. So this is the same thing as 2 to the fourth times 3 to the second. So we can take out the 2 to the fourth. Half of that will be 2 to the second. And then half of this would be 3 to the 1. And then there's nothing left inside. So this is our answer. Now, what is 2 to the second? That's 4. And what is 3 to the first? That's 3. So our answer is 12, which is what we expected. All right, I'm going to do these last two down here. So if I say, what is the factor of square root of 80? We're going to do menu 23, call LeBron. We're going to put in 80. And then this is just going to be, so this is 2 to the fourth, 2 to the fourth, times 5 to the first. Can't do anything with that since it's an odd number, but we can take half of this, so it'll be 2 to the second times 5 to the first. Same thing as 4 square root of 5. All right, let's do 108. So we do menu 23, bam. We're going to put in 108. So that's 108. Press enter. So this is going to be 2 to the second times 3 to the third. Now, this is an odd number, right? But it's greater than 1. So we can take out, so this is the same thing. I'm going to rewrite it just so you can see it. This is 2 to the second. We can write 3 to the second power times 3 to the first power. So now we can take half of this, and this one will stay inside. So this is going to be 2 times 3, and then we got the square root of 3 left inside. Or you could just do, well, that's it. So this would be 6 square root of 3. That's it. That's all you're doing. I'm using the calculator. I'm encouraging my students to use the calculator. Once you have it factored, any exponent that's even, you can take half of that outside the square root. If it's not even, if it's 1, you can't do anything with it. But if it's greater than 1, let's say it's 3, if it's 5, if it's 7, then you can go down to that next number. So for instance, if it's 7, you can go, oh, that's 6 plus 1. So we can take half of 6, which would be 3, and then that 1 would be in there. So that's it. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this. And I hope that this has been helpful. All right, so let's go. See y'all later.